Welcome to a new video from Fekra P.O.S. Now we will explain the open shifts and financial inventory of the shift. We start by launching the browser, then write the program link, and then log in. We go to the points of sale, hence the open shifts to show us all the shifts that are currently open. With the name of the user who opened the shift, the date and time of opening, also the amount of money in the fund. The primary user, owner, can also to close this shift immediately go back to the points of sale and pressure on the financial inventory of the shift. To show us all shifts, whether it's open shifts or shifts that have been closed. The shifts are shown in this table, the date and time of opening and closing. The user who opened the shift. The financial amount of the fund. What was sold and what was entered at the end of the shift. And also the final output of the inventory, whether inventory and inability to decrease or no deficit. This option can also be used to control whether to show or hide the number of records shown in this screen. A search filter can also be used to search for a specific shift. You can also use the top filter by specifying the username, the opening date and time, and the ending date and time. You can also see more details about the shift by clicking on Print. To show you details and a detailed report on what was implemented during this shift, rosary opening amount. And also cash receipts from sales and the sales made through My Points program. Also sales made through the portfolio. Payments made through the network. You can also see the reviews that have been made. Total cost. Total purchase payments. And also the total of the deferred bills. As shown in the beginning, opening date, the date and time of completion and username. Cash payments separately. The net amount in the fund. And the amount entered by the employee. And inventory result. Deficiency or deficiency. Payments made through the network. Payments made by check. Rosary summary. Total financial transactions. And the total paid. Also, final summary, the amount entered by the employee and also the result of the inventory deficiency or deficiency. Another statistic. The steps that were performed by the user during the shift. The number of times to cancel an item from the points of sale. The number of times a POS invoice has been cancelled. Count times, comment, POS invoice. And also the number of times the bill is cancelled. Here you will also find a report of the sales that have been made and products made in their own quantities. And the final summary with a total of 91. Quantity and number of sales in reals. Also, expenses and returns with the reference number for each audit invoice or an expense order. You can also at the end send the financial inventory to the shift via WhatsApp. For further information, see description box. Finally, do not forget to share it with your team. See you soon with a new feature from Fekra P.O.S.